Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Meet to Google Sheets step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Meet application. Join or create a new meeting as needed. Once you are in the meeting, open a new tab in your web browser. In the new tab, go to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank sheet option. Label your spreadsheet according to the purpose of the meeting. Now, go back to the Google Meet tab. Click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen for more options. Select Captions to turn on live captions if you want them. This feature will help you capture dialogue from the meeting. Next, you'll want to gather the information you want to record in Google Sheets. As the meeting progresses, take notes directly in the sheet if necessary. If you want to automate the process, you can use a Google Apps script. To do this, go back to your Google Sheets. Click on Extensions in the menu. Then select Apps Script. In the script editor, you can write a function to pull data from Google Meet. Use the Google Meet API to connect your meeting data to your spreadsheet. Make sure to authorize any permissions required by the script. Once your function is set up, test it to ensure it captures the information correctly. Return to Google Sheets to see the updates. You can now analyze and format the data as needed based on your meeting. Whenever you finish the meeting, remember to save. Lastly, exit Google Meet and close the browser tab if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.